So no sooner it's Monday and arrival day, it's Friday and we leave. And I wouldn't normally leave a departure video, I really wouldn't. But I feel as though I don't want to misrepresent anybody in my first video that we sent, and a number of you have already viewed. When you arrive, you're full of the joys of spring, you're looking forward to your 4 or 5 day break and everything seems jolly. And then reality kicks in and the hot tub doesn't work, and there's a separate video for that. And the TVs don't work. There's not a video for that. There's no Wi-Fi in the log cabin. The knives are blunt and there's only 2 toilet rolls. All these things all combine, and of course one of the big factors is the weather was absolutely terrible, despite what you're seeing on this video. But it felt as though Lando have invested loads of money here and then just forgotten about this place, really. But not only that, they seem to want you to, in order to use any of your devices, they want you to go to their main hub where the pub is, where the restaurant is. And really I feel that's wrong, because I think as Fiona said, these log cabins should be a home from home, so you should be able to use your Wi-Fi. You should have, I don't think we've been to, and we've been to, well over 12, 15 log cabins with hot tubs. And I don't really know where, well I do know where to rate this, but it's certainly not in the top 10. And it's a shame, because the location's lovely, the grounds are really nice. To be fair, the staff are absolutely gorgeous. They're really lovely people. The 2 young lads with a hot tub. The manager sorted us out with, you know, that was the other thing, we had a discrepancy with the hot tub. And she gave us a few options. One was to move, which wasn't suitable for me. One was to come at another time. Why would you if you're not really having a great time? And the third one was a discount. So they were kind enough to recognise that the hot tub was an issue and discount us accordingly. So yeah, you know, they've done their bit, but I don't really know whether it's the upper management. It just doesn't feel right. It just doesn't feel right, and it's a shame, because as you can see from this video, it could be really nice. Loads of space around the log cabins, which is something that I think we all like, is a bit of space, especially when we're on holiday. Anyway, enough of me rambling on. As I say, I don't really know where to rate it, but I've kind of got a good idea where I would rate it. Would I come back? Well, I doubt that very much.